Hey everyone, I like tuned cars in case you haven't noticed. Here's a $70 Charger tuned out by Hot Wheels. I actually have the original black one, but this one has a racing stripe. It's cool enough, cheap enough that I figured I'd customize it a little bit. It's tuned to 1 of 5. It's number 161 of 250 back in, I assume, 2021. Alright. Alright, so we got your standard like 5 spokes there that are blanked off. The glossy black is pretty nice. Not too much orange peel, not too many casting flaws I can see so far. So the reflectors on the side have like, it looks like a silver box with some orange, and also back here the red. And the red stripe has 3 stripes actually, pretty nice. The door handle is actually painted silver as well, and then the outline of the RT is silver also. Going around to the front, we got your headlights and some recessed grill details. This is also a recess, and then maybe turn signal bumps there. The blower, some recesses, so I might be able to get some paint in there. This side here, again, quality looks pretty good, but this side does also have a fuel filler, but unfortunately the silver missed the mark. It's not quite all silver, but the stripe looks alright. A little bit bad there, actually. I take that back. That doesn't look so good at all. Yeah, alright. Recesses for the taillights, a little divot for the lock, and unfortunately the casting is all chunked out there. That's not cool. License plate there, frame details, suspension details, differential, all your standard info you want to know, and it's riveted together, of course. Alright, well, the interior, standard level of detail you'd expect. It's just a little crazy though, being chrome, because it's the same plastic as, all that stuff. I wish it was black, but also this window is closed, whereas the other one's open. Anyways, not sure what kind of wheels. Maybe I'll find some or 3D print some. Okay, we're gonna try these wheels out. I bought these years ago, like when I first started collecting, or first started modifying. And so, by today's standards, I think they just look too flat. They just don't have enough, even though they are photo etched. I don't know. They're more like VIP style wheels, like for a limo or a Benz or something, but I'm never going to use them. And I already have 2 other Chargers, 2 other Hot Wheels Chargers, so let's see what happens here. I don't know. I'm not sure. It seems okay, but they're just so flat. But I definitely know I'm not going to put them on a realistic looking model car, but a tuned car, I suppose it'll do. So you'll notice the back is just I don't know why there's no like standoff or anything like that. Interesting. Yeah, well, the tread is nice enough. It's a little rubber tread there. So I'm just going to probably mount them with putty. The issue is I need to find a much fatter tire. I think I might have some Hot Wheels tires. You know what? I'm actually okay with it now. Anyways, these are Hot Wheels Real Riders tires, the big fat ones. They had to stretch out a little bit to get around here, but they fill in the wheel pretty well. Then I just added some paint, a little orange up here, filled in this grill area, some black, some red up there, black on the belt there, and then the taillight's red, and a little 1/64 scale license plate. So nice and easy. So the first release is just this black one. I think that's supposed to be Dom's Charger from Fast and Furious. I 3D printed my own wheels for that. And then the last one is this silver one that I did, and these are CM model wheels, and they worked okay. It's just that you gotta have these fat Real Riders to make it fill out. So you're gonna have to get some Real Rider tires to make this work properly, I think. Alright, well, anyways, I believe these are all the Charger castings. Maybe there's a 4th color. I don't know. I would have noticed an orange, but I would think that they're going to come out with an orange just to be more like the Dukes of Hazzard Charger. Granted, that thing didn't have a blower sticking out of the hood, but I think it'd be a colorful livery anyways. Alright, well, hopefully they'll just come out with some new castings. I'm actually all set on Chargers now, but I would love to see some other castings, maybe some other American muscle cars. say a Camaro would be a logical choice, or an old Firebird. Well, thanks for watching today. We shall see you the next time we do a wheel swap on the Hot Wheels. Bye now.